welcome to our channel, guys. Thank you for visiting. Today we're gonna be making bara. We're gonna be doing a recipe for bara. We already have one which we did a long time ago, so we'll be redoing some of those old recipes we did when we just started, and this is one of them. So today we're gonna be making bara, the softest, tastiest baras. And for that recipe we're gonna be using some flour, baking powder, roasted ground jeera, salt, instant yeast, scallions, pepper, yellow food coloring, which appears to be orange but is yellow, some split peas which we've soaked beforehand, garlic, and some poi bhaji. So this is going to be the softest, tastiest baras you'll ever make. The ingredients with measurements will be listed below the video in the description box. So let's get started with this bara, guys. Okay guys, so the split peas that we have, you have to soak that about 2 hours beforehand so it can get a little soft enough for the blender, which we're gonna go blend now. Okay guys, so this is the consistency you want for your blending the dal, like that. Not too long blending. Okay. Okay guys, so we have our split peas which we blended already, that's ready. And now we've cut up our scallions here and peeled the garlic. So we're gonna go blend this too now for our bara. So we're gonna wash out our poi bhaji. So nothing like poi bhaji, guys, in your bara. So we're adding our baking powder to the flour right now, and this is a large quantity we're making, guys. We're gonna give you the ingredients for a smaller quantity. That's the instant yeast. And now our roasted ground jeera. Which is cumin. Salt to taste. So these baras you can make for any function, guys. People enjoy baras anytime. Make baras for wedding, for birthday. And that's our color ring. So now we're gonna add our blended split peas. That's the blended scallions and pepper. So now we're gonna begin mixing, and we're gonna add our water. So as always, you're adding a little bit of water at a time. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the consistency it should have when you're done. Okay guys, so once you've mixed this here, you have to leave it to rise for about an hour at average, and you'll see that it has risen. So once that has happened, then it's time to fry. So we're just gonna cover this with a towel and set it aside. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and 50 minutes later, and our mixture has risen, and we are ready to fry now. So you've put our oil to hot here. Which is already hot, so we're gonna begin frying now. So to fry this guys, you want to keep your oil and your heat on medium. And our first bara is ready for some mango sour. So I'm going to show you how soft these are guys. Very soft bara. Soft and yummy. Okay guys, so we are frying our last set of baras now, and look at how scrumptious these look. Okay guys, so here is our finished product, our finished yummy baras. And we're gonna break into one of them to show you how soft it is. See the crispy outside, you can hear that, and inside is soft. So that's it for this recipe guys. If you like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.